For the teenagers out there, for 12-year-olds or 15-year-olds, I would really recommend to use this product. Dubai Active Pimple, say hello to this wonderful product. It actually really boosts up your confidence, and maybe you can gain a friend in return.
The skin analyzer will get the data of our spots, sensitivity, wrinkles, UV spots, porphyrins, pores, and skin age. It is safe to use and with accurate results. And now, let's start with our teenager, Client A. Client A is a 15 years old, and he had his acne breakouts when he was 13 years old. So during the puberty process, hormones become active and oil glands get stimulated. So acne is caused by overactive oil glands in the skin and buildup of oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria, okay, which leads to inflammation, as you can see in the photo over there. He has been experiencing these acne breakouts and pimple marks, dry skin, dark eye circles, ayan, reoccurring pimples for 2 years because he had his breakouts when he was 12 years old. Ayan, so you can see in the photo, very visible. Ayan, very visible po yung kanyang mga breakouts, the acne breakouts, and also the pimple scars. Okay? Now, he also mentioned that he also loses his self-confidence and always hide himself, especially in big crowds. For sure, this is also the feeling of teenagers out there who are also experiencing breakouts. So this is the result of the skin analyzer last February 15, 2024. Actually, he already started using the product last November 2024. But since we don't have the skin analyzer yet, that time, we just only have the results between February to March. Okay, so this is the first result. Last February 15, you can see in the UV spots, it has been captured all the dead skin cells over here. Yan, nakikita nyo po. Alright, and also you can see the red areas are the inflammation. Okay, so the normal skin should be blue color, like this one. Okay, if it is yellow and also yellow-green areas, these are the sensitive parts of the faces. Okay, so this was the result last February 15. Okay, so to summarize, the current result of the skin analyzer last February 15 was in severe category. With 99% sensitivity, the wrinkles is 92.37%, and the pores is 93.65. As you can see, the client is age 15, but the skin age is already 25. Okay, so now let's see what had happened afterwards. Okay, so this was 27 days after the first skin analyzer, which is February 15. You can see here, no, the sensitivity dropped by 32.79%. Let's give a clap for that. That is just only 27 days. As you can see, the inflammation over here, ayan, and then the inflammation here in March 13, it really dropped. Nawala po siya. Okay, so we have these studies and it is backed up by studies para hindi lang pictures, no, yung meron tayo. Ayan, so it really proves that the inflammation really dropped by 32.79%, 27 days after. Okay, so as you can see, as I have shown to you earlier, the UV spots can also be seen, and the deep scars can also be seen by the UV skin analyzer. As you can see over here, the spots, UV spots decreased by 1.62%, the hyperpigmentation by 4.6%. You can see naglighten po dito sa ating second picture. Okay, makikita mo dito yung mga deep mga scars niya sa kanyang face naglighten after 27 days. Ayan, amazing? Yes. Amazing result. Okay? So, here, to also see, no, that the first result was severe, as I have showed to you earlier. 27 days after, naging moderate na po yung kanyang case. Alright? So, all the things here, the spots, wrinkles, pores, UV spots, porphyrins, and sensitivity all drop. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ganun po ka-effective yung ating Exocelestial. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, so ito na po siya. Alright. So, 27 days of using Exo Celestial, you can see in the photo the difference po, yung kanyang forehead and also yung kanyang cheeks. Ayan. So you can see that the acnes are already dried, naglighten yung pimple marks, nag-hydrate yung kanyang skin, naglighten yung kanyang dark area here, yung kanyang dark eye circles, it also lightened. And the acne, reduce reoccurrence of the acne.